Tools and techniques for troubleshooting technical issues. When providing technical support, it is important to have a toolbox of various techniques and tools to help troubleshoot and resolve issues. Here are some common tools and techniques used for troubleshooting technical issues. 1. Knowledge base. A knowledge base is a knowledge base. A knowledge base is a repository of information that includes a common problem and their solutions. It's like a journal. You can have a journal that talks about the likely issues customers might face and solutions. Let me continue. As well as articles and guides that can help customers resolve issues on their own. Number 2, remote desktop software. Remote desktop software allows support professionals to remotely access a customer's computer to troubleshoot and resolve issues for computer-based issues. Number 3, diagnostic tools. Diagnostic tools are software programs designed to identify and resolve technical issues. These tools can scan a system for errors and provide solutions to fix them. System logs. System logs can provide valuable information on the cause of a technical issue. By analyzing system logs, support professionals can identify the root cause of a problem and provide a solution. Number 5, customer feedback. Feedback from customers can provide valuable insights into recurring technical issues. This feedback can be used to improve products and services, as well as to develop more effective troubleshooting strategies. Number 6, team collaboration. Team collaboration amongst support professionals can help identify and resolve complex technical issues. By sharing knowledge and expertise, support professionals can provide more effective solutions to customers. Number 7, documentation. Documentation of technical issues and their resolution can help support professionals learn from past experiences and improve their troubleshooting skills over time. Overall, having a variety of tools and techniques available for troubleshooting technical issues is essential for providing effective technical support. The key is to use a systematic approach to problem solving that involves analysis, testing, and verification of solutions.